Changing your username on Walmart is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Walmart website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account or profile section, usually found in the top right corner of the page or in the app menu. Step 3. Select username change option. In the account settings, look for an option that says change username or edit username. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Make sure it meets any specified requirements, such as character limits or restrictions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, click the Save or Update button to confirm the change. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. By following these steps, you can easily change your username on Walmart. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Walmart customer support for assistance.